quick, easy way how to make lemon balm tea and catnip tea. I have just a little bit of lemon balm here. You can kind of see like this bunch here is lemon balm. And over here we've got some catnip. You can see the difference in the leaves just by looking at them. Lemon balm is a little lighter green and it's got a more like rounded serrated edge than the catnip. But really the easy way to tell is by the smell. So lemon balm has just a delicious lemony smell and catnip does not. Catnip's got a little bit of a velvety feel to the leaves as well. But catnip and lemon balm are both really good for you. They are adaptogenic herbs, which means basically they help you adapt to hard circumstances. And they also are calming. So they're great to drink before bed or to give to your kids before bed, for instance. So I really love these herbs. To make tea, all you have to do is throw the leaves in a jar. So like for the catnip, I'm just gonna throw them straight in the jar. I just pull the tips off and mince. These are all in the mint family, so they basically just grow and spread in a kind of mounding, bushy way, and you don't have to worry too much about taking a bunch of tips off. They'll come right back. So I fill my jar about halfway full, loosely with the catnip leaves, and then I'm gonna pour hot water over that, and I'm gonna put a lid on it to keep the all the benefits in there. Okay, and you let that steep. I like to let them steep a long time, like 20 to 30 minutes, but you can just let it steep for 10 minutes and it's still really good. For the lemon balm, I'm gonna just pick the leaves off and I'm gonna stick them in a little tea strainer. So a tea strainer is nice because you can pour the water over it and then you don't have to worry about leaves coming out in your teacup or having to strain it later. So it just depends. But if you don't have a tea strainer, you can just do it in the jar like I did with the catnip. And you can, I mean, with whole leaves like that, they don't usually cause a problem. You can just pull them out of your tea if they come into your teacup. So you get your little tea caddy nicely filled with leaves. You can kind of pinch them and crush them a little bit if you want until you got that nice lemony smell. And then you pour your hot water right over that, over the leaves, and make sure that your little tea strainer is submersed in the water. And then you put a lid on it and you just let them sit or steep for, like I said, anywhere from 10 minutes to half an hour, and then maybe add a little honey to your tea